Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Home Telecom. Here at Rome Tips, we're diving into Home Telecom, a South Carolina-based internet provider. I'll be sharing my personal experience with their services, outlining their key features, and discussing who might benefit most from their offerings so you can decide if they're the right fit for you. Home Telecom provides a range of services, including high-speed fiber optic internet, home phone service, and television packages. They offer internet plans designed for various needs, from lighter usage like web browsing at speeds starting from 100 megabits per second, all the way up to 1 gigabit per second for demanding activities such as 4K streaming, online gaming, and managing multiple smart home devices. My experience with their fiber optic connection has been consistently positive. The speeds are impressively fast and reliable, even during peak hours when internet usage is at its highest. I experienced no interruptions while video conferencing, uploading large files, or streaming content across multiple devices simultaneously. Everything ran smoothly. One of Home Telecom's distinguishing features is their dedication to serving their community. They prioritize extending their coverage to both suburban and rural locations, working to bridge the digital divide and bring connectivity to underserved areas. Their plans are priced competitively, and they provide flexible options for bundling internet, TV, and phone services, making them an attractive option for families and small businesses looking for comprehensive communication solutions. The installation process was simple and efficient. The technicians were professional and made sure everything was set up correctly. I was also very pleased with their customer service. They are readily available through multiple channels and always responsive. Whether you have technical inquiries or require assistance selecting a plan, their team is knowledgeable and helpful. Home Telecom also prioritizes innovation by offering features like parental controls for online safety, Wi-Fi management tools, and premium support options for network optimization. Their user-friendly approach simplifies managing your internet service, even for those less familiar with technology. It's worth noting, however, that Home Telecom's service area is currently limited to specific regions within South Carolina, so availability might be a consideration for some. In conclusion, Home Telecom provides reliable high-speed internet with excellent customer support and a commendable focus on community engagement. It's a solid choice for homes and businesses located within their service area. For more detailed information, check out the links provided in the description below. Thanks for watching.